Good morning, my name is Lillian and this is my friend Taya. We're going to be talking about moringa seeds and water purification. We're from Angola, the Village Braça Internacional. And my friend Taya would like to give you a brief information about moringa seeds.
Moringa seeds are seeds that come from the tree called Moringa Olympiad. They're found in tropical countries and they have a vast amount of vitamins. As you can see, moringa seeds has more potassium than banana and it has more calcium than milk. And as we all know, milk is something that's essential for our lives since they help our teeth and bones grow. They also have more vitamin C than oranges. Lily now is going to talk about the problems.
In Angola, due to the petrol and diamond extraction, waters are polluted. It is seen that only 46% of the Angolan population is provided with clean drinking water, leaving the large amount without. As you can see on this picture, the most unfortunate families don't have water, so they take their water from the rivers. As you can see here, they're taking their water from the rivers. And most of these waters are contaminated. As a result of this, there's a large number in Angola there's a large number of the Angolan population that suffers from diarrheal diseases. An example of these diseases is cholera. Cholera is caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholerae. It's passed to people through the contact of contaminated waters and foods. And in the period of 2 months in 2006, it was seen that 27,800 people were infected by cholera and 1,100 people died. Just in the period of 2 months, the analysis showed these values. Another disease is typhoid fever. It is caused by the bacterium Salmonella typhi and is transmitted to humans through the contact of dirty water and foods. In our project, our main goal is to prove that moringa seeds purify water, providing a more efficient and conventional process than most materials in use today. We believe that by providing more water for the Angolan population, will reduce the amount of will reduce the high levels of people infected by diarrheal diseases. And now my friend Taya will speak about the process.
To filter water with moringa seeds, first you have to get the kernel, which is very long and it has about 20 to 30 seeds in one pod. And after that, you get the seed, you then crush it, and inside comes a little seed, which is the moringa seed. And this is just a shell. So once you get this, you then crush it with a spoon or whatever you can find until it's in little grains. And after that, you mix it with 15 milliliters of water, clean water, so that you can activate the antibacterial agent. After you mix the solution for around 30 seconds, you then mix the solution with dirty water. And then after that, you shake it for 5 to 10 minutes to activate everything so that everything's mixed. And after that, you just let it settle for an hour. But it also depends on the amount of water you're filtering. For larger amounts of water, you have to take more time. Like if it was 4 liters, we probably have 4 or 6 hours of it so that it can settle. And after that, we usually, for people who don't have stoves and everything, they can just drink the water like that after it has settled. But for the people who have stoves, they can just heat the water to 100 degrees so that you can kill any resistance bacteria. And then you have it.
After we had our solutions, we sent it to an analytical lab, and we came up with these results. These are the microbiological analysis, and we saw that we found Enterococcus bacteria in our solution. We're going to, in this graph, we're going to use the blue to demonstrate moringa, the red to demonstrate moringa the first time. We have two different solutions. One in which we add a dose of moringa, and the second solution, which is the green one, we double the dose. And we saw that in the solution in which there was no moringa, there were 345 Enterococcus bacteria per 100 milliliters. And in the second solution, in the first solution in which we added moringa, the Enterococcus bacteria decreased. As you can see, the bar went down. And in the second solution in which we doubled the dosage, the Enterococcus bacteria stayed the same. The second bacteria which was found was Escherichia coli bacteria. As you can see, the blue symbolizes the solution without moringa. It was seen that in the dirty water solution without moringa, 2,420, it was found per 100 milliliters, 2,420 Escherichia coli bacteria were found. After we added moringa, there were no Escherichia coli bacteria, which means moringa killed the Escherichia coli bacteria. In our chemical analysis, here we see the conductivity. Conductivity means the amount of nutrients present in the water. As you can see, the blue symbolizes dirty water. The red symbolizes dirty water with moringa the first time. And the green symbolizes dirty water with moringa the second time. In the dirty water solution, there was a very low level of nutrients. After we added moringa, because of the nutrients that moringa has, the level of nutrients in the water raised by 3 times more than the first one. And in the third one, because we doubled the dosage, the level also raised, as you can see in the graph. And turbidity. Turbidity is the amount of impurities present in the water. It's anything that makes a solution cloudy. Here, because we added the moringa powder to the solution, the turbidity raised because the solution became more cloudy. But according to WHO organization, turbidity for drinking water can be up to 5 NTU. But our solution, the moringa, after we added the moringa, the turbidity raised. And it's okay, according to the organization, it's okay to have turbidity up to 3. And then the pH level, which is a level up from 1 to 14, 1 to 7 indicating neutral, 1 to 6 indicating acidic, and 8 to 14 indicating basic. The pH level range for drinking water should be from 6 to 8. As you can see, moringa here is 7.8, which lies between the range and is acceptable. With these results, we could see that moringa is able to purify water. It purifies water, and this can help us. It helps us provide more efficient and inexpensive way of purifying water than most conventional materials use today. And my friend Taya will now conclude our.
So we came to the conclusion that if we use moringa seeds to purify water, we can also use it for other things. We can use it to give our animals water or plant things, since not a lot of people actually like to drink water that's a bit turbid. And we saw that since it has a lot of nutritional values, you can just add the water into your daily food and try to ingest it almost daily. It has more nutritional value than normal water that we drink, and since it's natural, we can find it almost everywhere, and it can go almost everywhere. And people that don't have enough money to actually buy normal water, they can actually just use the seeds that they they get off of their trees to clean their water into drinking. And by cleaning the water, we can actually lower the chances of these diarrheal diseases, and we can actually help get rid of malnutrition.